Gentle yoga offers seniors over 60 a supportive way to stay active and maintain health. Regular stretching helps preserve flexibility, making daily movements easier and reducing the risk of falls by improving balance. Beyond these physical benefits, gentle yoga also fosters relaxation and mindfulness, enhancing overall well-being and supporting independence. Practicing yoga at home brings both convenience and flexibility, but it's important to prioritize safety. Listen to your body and avoid any movements that cause discomfort. Using props like blocks, straps, or cushions can make poses more accessible and help maintain proper alignment. Ensure your space is clear and non-slip, and always start with a gentle warm-up. Choose classes that match your experience level, and remember, the goal is to nurture your well-being at your own pace. Begin your session with a gentle warm-up to prepare your body for stretching. Take deep, calming breaths and allow your mind to settle in the present moment. Gently move your joints. Roll your shoulders, circle your wrists and ankles, and softly rotate your neck. These simple motions increase blood flow and loosen your muscles, setting the stage for safe and effective stretching. Relieving tension in the neck and shoulders can significantly improve upper body comfort and mobility. Gently tilt your head from side to side and roll your shoulders backward and forward to release tightness. Clasping your hands behind your back and lifting them slightly helps open your chest and shoulders, supporting better posture over time. To care for your hands and forearms, extend one arm forward with your palm up and gently pull back on your fingers using the other hand. Hold for a moment, then switch sides. Next, turn your palm down and softly press on the back of your hand to stretch the top of your wrist. These movements promote circulation and flexibility, especially beneficial for those who use their hands often. Seated spinal twists are a gentle way to enhance spinal mobility and ease back tension. Rotating your torso while keeping your hips grounded stretches the muscles along your spine and supports flexibility. Including gentle back stretches can further promote spinal health, alleviate stiffness, and make daily activities more comfortable. Focusing on the hips and lower body with targeted stretches can greatly improve mobility and reduce discomfort. Pay attention to areas like the hip flexors, glutes, hamstrings, and quadriceps to release tension and support joint health. Move gently, listen to your body's cues, and enjoy the increased ease in everyday movements. Standing poses are excellent for building balance and stability, and they can be adapted for all abilities. Ground your feet firmly and engage your core to maintain good posture. If you prefer or need to stay seated, similar movements can be done in a sturdy chair. This inclusive approach ensures everyone can work on balance and stability in a way that feels comfortable and safe. Adding simple balance exercises to your routine can make daily life feel more secure. Strengthening the legs and core helps prevent falls and boosts confidence. Even basic actions like standing on one leg or gently shifting your weight can improve coordination and make everyday activities easier. Stretching your calves and ankles is important for maintaining joint health and lower body flexibility. Try standing calf stretches or seated ankle rotations to increase circulation and ease tightness. These exercises support balance and mobility, helping you move more comfortably throughout your day. Gentle forward bends and hamstring stretches are effective for lengthening the back of the legs and releasing tension. Slowly folding forward allows gravity to assist, increasing flexibility in the hamstrings and lower back. Move at your own pace, breathe deeply, and let your muscles relax with each exhale for the best results. As your session comes to a close, settle into a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Focus on your breath, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly, allowing any remaining tension to melt away. Take a moment to appreciate your efforts and the sense of relaxation you've created. When you're ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed and centered. Making gentle movement a regular part of your life supports both physical and mental well-being. Mindful practices like yoga can boost flexibility, reduce stress, and promote overall health. Remember to honor your body's needs and progress at your own pace. If you're interested in exploring further, Many resources are available to help you deepen your practice and discover what works best for you.